How to terminate an RG6 RCA-TYPE Coaxial Compression Connector. Materials required: side cutter, Coaxial Cable Prep Tool, Universal Coaxial Compression Tool, RG6 RCA Coaxial Compression Connector, RG6 Coaxial Cable. Step 1. Cut the specified length of RG6 Coaxial Cable and insert 3/4 of an inch into the Coaxial Cable Prep Tool. Rotate in one direction 2 to 3 turns. Step 2. The coaxial cable will be scored in 2 stages. Remove the first stage, exposing the center conductor. Remove the second stage, exposing the foam insulation and steel braid. Fold back the steel braid towards the coaxial cable. Trim the center conductor 1/4 of an inch using the side cutters. Step 3. Insert the coaxial cable into the RG6 RCA Coaxial Compression Connector. Ensure the center conductor is kept straight while firmly pushing into the compression connector. Step 4. Select the appropriate tip from the handle of the Universal Coaxial Compression Tool and make height adjustments if required. Insert compression connector into the cavity of the tool and squeeze the handles together until the ratchet system unlocks. Step 5. Remove the terminated compression connector and inspect to make sure the compression connector is firmly secured to the coaxial cable. Step 6. Repeat steps 1 through 5 to terminate the opposite end to complete the RG6 RCA Coaxial Cable assembly.